case you're wondering what these candles are about, this one is for gratitude. Gratitude for all the medical workers, all the essential service workers who toiled away unrelentingly and kept us, most of us, safe and made sure that we had our basic needs in place. This one is for love. Love for all you wonderful guys, our lovely subscribers and viewers, and all you wonderful, wonderful people who've been with us for the last 6 months and made us so happy. This one is for hope. Hope that 2021 will be 10,000 times better. Why 10,000? A million times better than what we've seen in this last 1 year. We're going to end this year with a bang, with a delicious Yakhni Pulao and Gajar ka Halwa made very simply and very quickly.